Laba diena! Man, do I feel refreshed. Okay, what's on the list? Fix the cabinet, pack the frame, clean up a bit, talk back to you. Let's go! I think I might just clean the workshop a bit too early because I checked the dust extractor and it's completely full. It's actually overloaded. This cleanup is a torture. I truly hate it. Well, I like the machine. I like these filtering tubes and I like the huge filtering area, powerful motor, but I think they spend little to no time designing the collection itself. It's just plain dumb. Anyway, I'm planning to upgrade this machine, hopefully this year. I have an emergency project to do this week. I was asked to make a pedestal on wheels for the Buffalo bust. That's none of my business. All I need to know is that I have to create a box on wheels with the shape of pyramid without the very top, with the flat area on the top. So I have a rough sketch of the size I need, and I think this is the perfect project to use all the scraps of oak, because it will be stained very dark color, so grain doesn't really have to match perfectly. Time is ticking. I think I have enough material for the frame. Now I have to even out the stock to match a single profile. So let's go to the jointer and then to the thickness planer. This piece will be the cap of the pedestal. Yeah, I have most of the material prepared for this project, so there's a great chance I will be able to pull this one off on Sunday. Because tomorrow we are going to the client's place to install the furniture we were making for the past weeks. Yeah, sincerely thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye!